Nicaragua is the second poorest country in the Western Hemisphere. The majority of the Central Atlantic coast, home to the Miskito and Mayagna indigenous cultures, suffers from 85% unemployment, one of the root causes of poor education and health, as well as unsafe dwellings. In 2007, Hurricane Felix ripped through the area, decimating the homes of thousands. Already volatile, these communities have struggled to recover.
Un poco sensible para mí hablar de Félix porque para mí es una naturaleza que nos dejó marcado. No solo dañó, botó árboles o las casas del lado del norte, sino también vidas humanas.
In Rosita, where these communities are located, there is a viable solution, not only for the local community, but also for others affected by natural disasters. CO2 Bambu, a company dedicated to post-disaster relief housing and reforestation efforts, has been commissioned to build 84 homes in the region. They have invested their time in developing a sustainable model that not only helps create jobs in the area, but also uses a local product to help relieve the housing problem, while simultaneously having positive ecological impact.
The important thing here is that there is an amazing material, a sustainable material, which is bamboo, called guadua bamboo. And that's a material that is specifically fitted for construction. And we discovered this 4 years ago.
Traditionally, the community has always worked with bamboo, but with no technical background, the houses they built would only last a few years. Bamboo is a high-yield renewable resource. If handled properly, guadua may have an unlimited production. It reaches full maturity in only 5 years.
There happens to be a rare botanical event in Nicaragua, which is bamboo flowering. This only happens every 70 years. When we discovered that 4 years ago, we first decided to start plantations, and we planted already 60,000 plants.
Es impresionante porque estás regresando a vivir con tu naturaleza. Y la importancia y el impacto, sobre todo, es porque está sustituyendo a la madera